Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we are going to look at this integral from 0 to pi over 4 of 1 over x minus sine 2x divided by 1 minus cosine 2x dx. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more engaging content on integral calculus. So let's solve this integral. So let's start off by rewriting sine 2x minus cosine 1 minus cosine of 2x into a form that can be integrated. So sine 2x can be written as 2 sine x cosine of x divided by 1 here. I can write 1 as cosine square x plus sine square x. That's from the Pythagorean theorem. Minus cosine 2x is the same as cosine square x minus sine square x. And then this can be written as the numerator is 2 sine x cosine of x divided by cosine square x plus sine square x minus cosine square x plus sine square x. So this simplifies to 2 sine x cosine of x all over the denominator simplifies to 2 sine square x. And that simplifies to the 2's will cancel, sine x will cancel, 1 at the bottom, leaving sine x over cosine x over sine x. So this is the same as sine 2x all over 1 minus cosine 2x. So that is just like the cotangent of x. So we can go back to our integral, which is here, and then plug it in. So you have integral from 0 to pi over 4 of 1 over x minus. So in place of this, I can write cosine of x over sine of x. All this dx. Now we are ready to integrate. So integrating, that becomes the integral from 0 to pi over 4 of 1 over x dx minus the integral of cosine of x over sine of x dx. And this one is just the natural logarithm of x. And you are integrating that from 0 to pi over 4 minus this one. This is the integral of cotangent. The integral of cotangent is the natural logarithm of sine of x, because if you are differentiating sine of x, you are getting cosine of x. So that is just the natural logarithm of the sine of x, and you are integrating that from 0 to pi over 4. So with this one, I can actually put them together like this, minus natural logarithm of sine of x, integrating that from 0 to pi over 4, and using the laws of logarithm, this can be combined into x over sine of x from 0 to pi over 4. So we can now plug in our limits. So the upper limit first, pi over 4 divided by sine of pi over 4 minus, plug in the lower limit, natural logarithm of 0 over sine of 0. This is natural logarithm of pi over 4 divided by sine pi over 4, that is sine 45, that is root 2 over 2, minus 0 over 0, that is actually undefined, so we can use the limit. So we can say limit as x approaches 0 of 0 over 0. So we can use L'Hopital's rule here because we have 0 over 0 case. So in that case, we are just differentiating the numerator, which will give you 1. That is the limit as x approaches 0 of the natural logarithm. So you differentiate the numerator, you get 1. Differentiate the denominator, you're going to get cosine of x. So this one simplifies to something like this, pi over 4 times 2 over square root of 2 minus, plug in the limit, you are going to get 1 over cosine of 0 is 1. So 1 over 1 is 1, natural logarithm of 1 is 0. So lower limit evaluates to 0. That becomes the natural logarithm of pi over 2 root of 2 minus 0, and that's it. So therefore our integral, which is the integral from 0 to pi over 4 of 1 all over x minus sine 2x all over 1 minus cosine 2x, all this dx, this one evaluates to natural logarithm of pi all over 2 root 2. So that is the value of our integral. So that's it. If you find this helpful, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. I thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.